For many years, crypto market specialists have been working really hard to deliver a computerized resource, the biggest digital currency, that would be a one-stop answer for tending to all matters concerning versatility, between tradability and power. Every one of the obstacles and creative whimsies encompassing cryptographic forms of money were settled when Charles Hoskinson authored Cardano. Cardano Establishment, the People Group Impressions. The People Group at the Cardano project expects to convey financial additions to the clients by the organization. It bears the benefit of teaching and alarming them on all the lowdown of the crypto world. The establishment dedicated to Cardano Establishment's undertaking has support from InfoResult Hong Kong and Emergo. Taking on the total sanction of liability towards financial backer Social Reason, Emergo upholds business reception, and IOHK cares for the surface. Together, they edit the creative peculiarity woven into Cardano innovation, composing formal strategies particulars. The entire portfolio is fastidiously explored and examined by experts before a public delivery. Cardano People Group is profoundly forceful in spreading mass attention to the computerized resource ADA supported by training on blockchain and DeFi areas with diplomats, backers, and industry specialists. Leaving a worldwide impression upheld by articulate methodologies makes Cardano stand apart from its friends and essentially influences different industry fragments. Frederick Gergard, the CEO, has the vision as of now crucially cut for the corporate. Cardano Establishment has a committed and superior gradability base, which will take Cardano higher than ever, and I guess that the following couple of years will be a huge development period for the convention. Cardano, the new overhauls. There were a great deal of moves up to Cardano's brilliant agreements in the new past. Alonzo Purple was the most significant redesign. The Alonzo Purple redesign got a gigantic change shrewd agreements. It has opened the entryways for non-fungible tokens and upset the chain. In addition to that, Cardano saw 100 million dynamic wallets back in May. However, the quantity of the crypto wallet has multiplied to 200 million over the most recent half year. Presently, the organization will have the help step up its versatility to all the more likely oblige the new clients. Hydra is a layer 2 scaling answer for Cardano, and it helps push the organization for business use. It will present 1,000 Hydra hubs fit for dealing with 1,000 exchanges each second. Assuming it is valid, Cardano will be the most noteworthy scaling network on the planet. Cardano Value History and Specialized Examination. Cardano is the 9th biggest digital currency by market capitalization. Cardano's local token, ADA, has an enormous market cap of $8,672,316,422. The development is chiefly because of the lift in its utilization cases. As of late, the Cardano network has reported one more move up to make the exchange smooth and simple. Nonetheless, 2022 has not been ideal for most digital currencies, including the crypto lord. ADA's cost throughout the previous 7 days has been exchanging a scope of 31 cents to 24 cents. After ADA's cost hit $1.59 in January, it ceaselessly exchanged at lower values. It even neglected to hold its drawn-out help of 40 cents. As per our ADA coin cost expectation for the following couple of years, the token is assessed to have forward movement. Likewise, taking into account the cryptographic money market's unpredictability, the Cardano cost can either contact the sky or hit a hard base from now on. Right now, the value activity of Cardano reflects negative energy. ADA, USD could keep on confronting transitory remedy up to its past help of 13 cents. In any case, according to our Cardano expectations, the money will record a cost recuperation when the market settles. The ADA coin showed range-bound exchanging, and for the leftover days of the year, our Cardano cost expectation 2022 demonstrates a constant solidification in the cost, and the ADA cost will be unable to cross the 35 cents mark. Be that as it may, the cost could begin areas of strength for a couple of months in 2023. Cardano Value Forecast 2023. As per our ADA estimates, the coin might exchange a scope of 20 cents to $1.97 for the year 2023, where the base cost is 20 cents and the greatest cost is $1.97. Simultaneously, the typical ADA and incentive for the year might be around $1.09. Cardano Value Forecast 2024. The base and greatest costs for the year 2024 for the ADA token are supposed to be around $1.73 and $3.50. Simultaneously, the typical cost, according to our Cardano cost conjecture, is supposed to be around $2.62. It is normal that ADA might make another ATH this year. Cardano Value Forecast 2025. 2025 is the year when at long last the coin might cross its $5 mark with a most extreme exchanging worth of $5.03. While the base future cost is supposed to be $3.26. Simultaneously, the typical ADA cost may be $4.15. Cardano Value Expectation 2026. The ADA cost could change somewhere in the range of $4.79 and $6.56 in 2026, where the previous is the most minimal cost and the last option is the most exorbitant cost for the year, according to our Cardano cost expectations. The typical worth expected for the year is $5.68. Cardano Value Expectation 2027. As per our ADA cost expectation, the base, normal, and most extreme costs for the year are supposed to be $6.32, $7.21, and $8.09 individually. Cardano has been one of the most dynamic crypto resources, and assuming that you purchase Cardano at its ongoing worth, brokers can procure incredible benefits. Cardano Value Forecast 2028. In view of past execution, the base and greatest costs are supposed to be around $7.85 and $9.62, while the typical cost might be $8.74 for the year 2028. Cardano Value Expectation 2029. In the wake of raising a ruckus around town the ADA coin will progress forward the upturn. According to our ADA cost forecast, the base and greatest costs might be around $9.38 and $11.15 in 2029. Simultaneously, the typical worth is determined to be $10.27. Cardano Value Forecast 2030. When it is 2030, our ADA cost forecast 2030 predicts that the coin might exchange a scope of $10.91 and $12.68. Simultaneously, our Cardano Value Expectation 2030 proposes that the typical worth might be $11.80 all year long. The Cardano conjecture recommends that the ADA cost could cross the most extreme cost of $2 toward the finish of 2029. The base cost may be around 97 cents according to their ADA cost forecast 2025. In view of our Cardano expectation, it is a terrible long-haul speculation. Your ongoing speculation might be debased in the future as it is a high-risk resource, according to the ADA estimate. ADA cost figure is that the cost will reach 36 cents by January 2023. The normal most extreme worth is 45 cents. The base worth is 30 cents for January 2023, according to our Cardano cost gauge. In light of future ADA cost expectations, digital money will show a rising propensity. The future cost of a USD is anticipated to be $8.52 throughout the following 5 years. What elements drive the Cardano cost? Cardano, or so far as that is concerned, some other digital currency, can be impacted by different elements. The ADA cost is basically impacted by the merchant's feelings and whales temporarily. On the off chance that purchasers show an interest in the token, the cost will be enormously impacted emphatically. Indeed, even whales can control the coin's cost. On the off chance that a huge amount of ADA tokens is held, the interest for the coin will expand because of the scaled-down supply, in this manner expanding the cost of the token as well as the other way around. While in the long haul, the cost mostly influences mechanical progressions in major examination. The more the organization progresses, the more it will catch financial backers' eye. Presently, the Vassal hard fork is exceptionally near its send-off, and this update will make a great deal of changes as far as versatility, exchange